Task 46. Real-world problems with more than one step. Quick reminder. Example. The Winters family keeps track of the amount of money they spent on heating fuel. In December, it was $93.18. In January, $144.50. In February, $162.81. And in March, $102.96. How much did the fuel cost them per month on average during those 4 months? The problem above asks for an average, so you divide, but first you have to add the 4 monthly amounts to get a total amount that they spent. So you would add all 4 of these numbers up and then divide by 4 because there are 4 months. A second example. Erica paid $1.80 for 10 pencils and 25 cents a piece for 6 pens. Which cost her more on average? So step 1, you would have to divide $1.80 by 10 to get the cost for each pencil. Step 2, you would compare your result with the 25 cents that it costs for each pen. Number 1. You have picked out about 1.5 kilograms of pears at 79 cents per kilogram and a melon for $1.59. What is the total cost of the pears and the melons together? Hint. Multiply to find the cost of the pears, then add. Number 2. You and a friend have gotten some new things for your apartment. Dishes cost $18.95. A dish rack costs $6.95. Hand towels cost $3. You want to split the cost evenly. How much do each of you owe? Hint. Add, then divide by 2. Number 3. You got sick and had to go to the doctor. If it costs $50 for the doctor, $55 for the blood test, and $19 for medicine, your health plan will pay 80% of the total. How much will the health plan pay? Hint. Add, then multiply times 80%. Number 4. You're comparing 2 kinds of plastic sheets. One kind weighs 1.5 pounds per sheet. The other weighs 24 pounds for a bundle of 12 sheets. Which kind weighs more on average? Hint. Find the average weight of the second kind, then compare. Number 5. Cost of a car. A. $7,400 plus $600 for extras and $400 in tax. Cost of car B. $9,000 for everything together, including tax, minus a 10% discount the company is offering. Which costs more? Hint. Add for car A, multiply times 90%, and then what you would pay after the discount for parent plan car B. Then compare. Number 6. You sell magazines. You make $28 on Wednesday and $35 on Thursday. You worked for 10 hours on both days together. How much did you earn per hour on average? Number 7. Carla worked 4 hours on Monday, 3 hours on Thursday, and 8 hours on Saturday. She gets $4.20 per hour. How much does she owe in total for all 3 days? Number 8. You make a bed and you need to make a bed, you need 2 lengths of board 6 feet long and 2 other lengths 4 feet long. The boards cost $1.25 per running foot. How many feet in total for the 4 boards? And what is the total cost? Hint. Multiply 2 times 6 and 2 by 4, then add, then multiply. Number 9. Melanie is a jogger. She jogged 2 miles on Monday, 4 miles on Wednesday, and 3 miles on Friday. What was the average number of miles she jogged each day? Number 10. Melanie averages 9 minutes per mile. How much time did she spend running for the 3 days altogether?